Here in this video, I am going to talk about the newly launched smartphones that you can consider to buy from February to April 2022. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which smartphone did you like the most. Please hit the like button to share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. We were waiting for this phone in the end of 2021, but Samsung has chosen January 2022 for its launch. So it was launched on 4th of January 2021, but the price is little bit high. Coming to its specification, the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G comes with a beautiful 6.4-inch dynamic AMOLED display that will give you immersive display experience. Coming to the power, this smartphone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset coupled with up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The smartphone packs 4500 mAh of battery that comes with a fast charging support. Camera is the main attractive feature of this smartphone. It comes with a triple camera setup at the back comprising of 12 megapixel primary camera with an aperture of f1.8, a second 12 megapixel camera and a third 8 megapixel camera with an aperture of f2.4. The rear camera is amazing and takes the best pictures. As far as selfie is concerned, it comes with a 32 megapixel front selfie camera with an aperture of f2.2 to take amazing selfies. Coming to the dimensions of the phone measures 7.9mm in thickness and weighs around 177 grams. The smartphone was launched in graphite, lavender, olive and white colors. It also features an IP68 rating for dust and water protection. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge 5G, the fastest charging smartphone with 120 watt charging. The smartphone was launched on 6th of January 2022 and it is one of the best mid-range or budget smartphone that you can consider to buy from February to April 2022. Coming to its other specification, the phone comes with a beautiful 6.67-inch display with a full HD Plus resolution. The smartphone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 920 chipset coupled with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage in its base variant. The phone packs 4500 mAh of battery and comes with a whopping 120 watt fast charging support. As far as cameras are concerned, the phone doesn't disappoint here. It comes with a triple camera setup at the back featuring 108 megapixel primary camera that comes with an aperture of f1.89. It also features a 16 megapixel front selfie camera to take beautiful selfies. Coming to the dimensions, the phone is little bit thick, measuring 8.34mm in thickness and weighing around 204 grams. The smartphone was launched in attractive colors like camo green, Pacific pearl, pulp mist and steel black colors. The phone will cost you around 26 to 27,000 Indian rupees and around $400 in the international market. Eco 9 series. Eco 9 series was launched on 5th of January 2022 and there are two phones in this series, Eco 9 and Eco 9 Pro. We will talk about the Eco 9 Pro in this video. Coming to its specification, the phone sports 6.78-inch of beautiful display with a full HD Plus resolution. The smartphone is powered by the most powerful and the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor coupled with up to 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of fast internal storage. The phone packs 4700 mAh of battery and comes with up to 120 watt fast charging support. As far as cameras are concerned, it features amazing triple set camera comprising of 50 megapixel primary camera, a 50 megapixel second camera and a third 16 megapixel of camera. For selfies, it features 16 megapixel of front selfie camera to take beautiful selfies. So camera looks promising here. The smartphone runs latest Android 12 software and also comes with an amazing build quality. This smartphone is perfect for gaming also, as it comes with the fastest processor, plenty of RAM and beautiful display to give you immersive display experience. Realme GT2 Pro. Realme is all set to launch its flagship killer in 2022. Realme GT2 Pro was launched on 4th of January is an amazing smartphone which has got killer specification coming at a mid-range price. Coming to its specification, the phone comes with a beautiful 6.67-inch display with a Quad HD Plus resolution. The smartphone is powered by the most powerful new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor coupled with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The smartphone runs Android 12 software and packs 5000 mAh of battery that comes with a fast charging support. As far as cameras are concerned, this flagship killer Realme GT2 Pro sports triple camera setup featuring 50 megapixel primary camera and a second 50 megapixel camera and a third 2 megapixel camera. It also comes with a 32 megapixel front selfie camera to take beautiful selfies. As far as dimensions are concerned, the phone is not so thin, measuring 8.18mm in thickness and weighing around 189 grams. The smartphone was launched in attractive colors and attractive price. Vivo V23 series. Vivo V23 series comes with two new smartphones, Vivo V23 5G and Vivo V23 Pro 5G. The most exciting feature of this smartphone, which makes it different from other phones, is its dual selfie camera that takes incredible selfies. The smartphone was launched on 5th of January 2021, and if you're a selfie lover or are looking for a camera-centered smartphone coming at a mid-range price, then go for this. Coming to its specification, the smartphone features a beautiful 6.56-inch of display with a full HD Plus resolution. The smartphone is powered by the powerful MediaTek Dimensity 1200 chipset coupled with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The smartphone runs Android 12 software and it packs 4300 mAh of battery that comes with a fast charging support. So as this is a camera-centered smartphone, you will get amazing rear camera and incredible front selfie camera. Coming to its rear camera, it packs 108 megapixel primary camera that comes with an aperture of f1.88, a second 8 megapixel camera and a third 2 megapixel camera. And coming to the selfie where it shines, it features a dual selfie camera featuring 50 megapixel primary camera with an aperture of f2.0 and a second 8 megapixel camera with an aperture of f2.28. As far as dimensions are concerned, the phone features 7.36mm in thickness and weighs around 171 grams, which makes it a super lean, thin smartphone and a lightweight smartphone. Coming to the colors, the smartphone was launched in Stardust Black and Sunshine Gold colors. And another interesting feature of this smartphone is its color changing back panel. So these are amazing new launches that you can consider to buy from the month of February to April 2022. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.